The best coconut. Ay, ay, ringi. Pare maso oi feo di maso li. Ma ya ku niu le na lo ngai lo isi niu le. Lai fa kavu. Ya, o ngai niu fo ina au mai le alo fatu noa. E le maua I fale o loa I ke le loko o fele fale o loa le fa kaua. Awa o ngoa le kawangi. Kawangi ngaungi mea pulu. Mea pulu. Yeah. This is the head of the eel. Head of the eel. The mouth. There's a story about this coconut. This is the head, represent the head of the eel. Can you see it? 2 eyes and the mouth. The eyes, 2 eyes and the mouth. That's the mouth. The story about the girl named Sina and her pet, which is the tuna in Samoan. But the eel in English, eel, double E-L. So that's when the tuna died. The tuna, his last word to Sina, the girlfriend, to plant his head under the ground. Yes, and this is the head. And one day the head grew and became a palm tree. And that's the fruit of the palm tree. Is the head of the eel. Yes, that's the true story. And every time Sina drink the coconut, she kissed the head of the eel. Yeah. Want me to kiss the head of the eel? I'm kissing. Okay. Yay! That's the flesh. Walker. Nice. Ale malū ele miu.
Oh. Where'd you get that?
What?
Is that what you got for your KK? Oh, can I have some? The tripod.
Là vụ coi bây giờ mấy bạn cãi nữa phải động ví dụ.
Oh. Yeah.
Kaya nga siya po ah.
Where's Gucci?
Hmm?
Gucci.
Hmm.